Hi, my name is Jossalyn Rogalski, and I am a senior here at Western, majoring in biology. I am from Dowagiac, Michigan. I'll do the typical Michigander thing here, but I'm like down an hour south in that lower corner of Michigan. I chose Western because my location is really nice. I can drive up here and it's only like an hour, depending on traffic. It's really bad in the winter, it'll be like an hour and 30, but that was really my main determining factor, was the cost of living. I definitely wanted to cut that down and stay at home and just spend gas money. I chose the Lee Honors College because I luckily was offered a scholarship that forced me to actually come into the Lee Honors College, so it was sort of kind of not by choice, but I actually am happy to be here because the staff and faculty have been nothing but support to me. My thesis is actually focusing on the perceptions of cigarette butt waste. It's actually also incorporating electronic cigarettes, but I really was more so focusing on cigarette butts because on my long drives, I see so many people just throw them out the window, and it just aggravates my soul as the environmentalist that I am. So I was like, I wonder, like, are people throwing these out because they have a misconception about what they're made of, or it's because they just don't care? So now I am creating a survey with Dr. Jossalyn Cook, and I will be actually personally walking door to door to at least 100 houses, hopefully. That'll be a lot, and hopefully it turns out well. But to avoid bias in like different ages and locations, and to ensure everyone is 18 plus, we are doing it in person. And I didn't want to focus it on college centers only to avoid that educational bias as well. So I'm going to be walking the streets in my local hometown, but my hometown is Dowagiac, and I will also be going to the outskirts cities like Sister Lakes and Twin Lakes. Sadly, I'm not too involved on campus because of my commute distance, but I am now a new member of the biology club, and I hope that when things slow down with my school and work schedule, I'll be able to actually attend the in-person events. I'm also a part of Alpha Lambda Delta, but similarly, I haven't been able to attend many in-person events because I drive 2 hours a day, and then it's like all the extra time to go to events has to sadly be given to studying time. So we're working on getting more in-person involved. My future goals after graduation are currently like all over the place now. I've always had my sights set on being some sort of zoologist or environmental biologist, and now though I have also gotten into online advertising and marketing and also makeup online as just a hobby, and because of how much that has grown now though, I'm trying to find a way to incorporate my love of science and online marketing and advertising and makeup creation in a part-time way. I'm honestly just going with the flow of life at this point, and it's like whatever happens, happens, you know? Honestly, this is gonna sound sad, but I really don't like have a favorite restaurant because I don't eat out like ever. like I'm such a cheapskate that I will buy like the cheapest little microwavable macaroni cheese cups and that's it. But if I do go out to eat, it'll be typically like a Mexican place or a steakhouse or anything in general. I hate to admit that I'm not vegan because it's, you know, not environmentally friendly, but I honestly just like to go hiking a lot, so I've been to so many different nature trails and stuff that I can't really remember all of the names, but the one that I really enjoyed was the North Ottawa Dunes, and I believe that's more so towards Holland, so it's a bit further north from here, but it'd definitely be closer than where I'm from. But that's a really nice place that has like boardwalk trails, and I actually went there in January, so it was really snowy and icy and not a good time to go, but the fall time now with the changing leaves, they have super tall dunes with like amazing views. Definitely would check that out. Yeah, I started makeup around, well, I've always done makeup, you know, like simple eyeliner looks to go to middle school, high school, but I eventually grew tired of that and started doing like the colorful eyeliner and stuff. And then that got boring to me as well, so I went into the creative gore special effects makeup looks. And now I just try to do like whatever when I can, but I'm definitely more leaning towards like the movie and creative makeup. I guess my number one advice for anyone would just be to like go with the flow of life more so. I'm more so speaking to myself with that because I struggle with stress a lot, that I suffer the physical consequences of stress, and yeah, it's just need to slow down, take things one step at a time, and live in the present more so than think about the future.